we're out here in Waiparous. There she is. Put a lot of lift. Got airbag suspension now. That's I mean, it's a little bit high. I can go even higher than that, but it's like, look at that. I bought a new gimbal. It's pretty nice, keeps things steady. But yeah, we'll see what kind of footage I get on this trip. It's supposed to be like -9 at night, and we're supposed to get a bunch of snow. Don't know how much. I guess about 9 centimeters. I'm looking forward to it. Best place to test this thing out for sure. A really bumpy road. You guys good? Awesome. All right. Things are bouncing around. I mean, that rear airbag suspension bounces around quite a bit. Since I've been out here, I haven't changed much in the interior. There is one thing. Now I have this holding it up, and I also cut the hole out for that storage back there. I got plates. Does that count? Well, just got out for a couple drone shots. Just charging the battery again. I'm gonna get a little bit more bold. Maybe go a bit further. It seems like I have really good signal with the drone out here. Take advantage of that. So far the diesel heater is working great. Hopefully that continues all night. I still haven't opened it up and cleaned it like I should have back when I got the new. See what happens. It's pretty busy out here. Kind of surprised. Like 2 people already drove through my site. It's already starting to snow. Let's see, can you see it? Very small flakes, but we'll see if we get that 10 centimeters they said we would. And this was my dinner, or lunch actually. I got here pretty early today. For dinner I'm having steak and creamed corn. Some luxury. After I make a coffee, I'm gonna fly the drone, I think. I got more cooking wear now too. This strap down actually doesn't make much sound at all, but with those new springs, things are bouncing around back here quite a bit more. So maybe I'll just have to run them at lower pressure, because they're kind of rough right now. It's like a go-kart. to warnings, 15 centimeters of snow in the area. Well, we'll see. I enjoy this coffee and some breakfast, and I mean, it's like 3:45 in the morning. I might be waiting a bit for the sun to come out, but here I am. Voltage is getting pretty low on the batteries. I wonder how much power is actually left in them. I know the inverter starts making noise at 10.2, but the diesel heater just keeps going way past that, so not a huge deal. I can just start the engine for like 5 minutes. That gives me a lot of time.